This is the third store that we're going to come to. The first store, the woman had a bad attitude. The second store, their goods were expensive. This is where we're buying the power bank finally. This is the man who sold it to us. What's your name, sir? Mr. Aziz. This is the one we went for eventually. The power bank, the new age 33,000 mAh. We're going to leave the power bank for him to charge. We're going to Eleyele Lake to go and shoot some videos. And then when we are coming back, we will pick it up. We got hungry. So we then come to bite more. Inside the momo, there's one full egg inside.
Additional protein.
One lie. Easy means having rice.
Protein and beef.
Man, this is nice.
It's fine, not bad.
What are the price? Is it fair?
You don't feel this plantain, not that one.
But this is bite more on Mokola. We just got to Eleyele Lake. With Easy. So now we're about to wear our life jackets and enter the boat and hit the lagoon. You have to be safe at all times, you know. Yes, bro. We're looking for a suitable location to chill before we start shooting, flying our drone. So I just setting up.
I need to go speak your drone.
No. I'm a drone here.
Hold that back. Come on, hold back. Shedina.
Like okay.
Tori on drone.
So we're going to set up now and take off. I have 30-something% battery left, so I'm trying to save my own battery. Easy is still flying his own drone. This is my own drone. Easy, how is it going over there, man? You guys should check this place out if you're ever in Ibadan. It's a nice place to hang out.
I'm flying high. Touch the sun, kiss the sky. City below like a map in my head. I soar, I see the world unfolds under me. Skyline dancer, feeling free. Skyline dancer, I'm where I should be.
The Ugo has landed.
We're back on land, Lake Salami Stadium. I think they're having an event over there. It seems like a basketball event. However, this is where we are in the shade. So I'm going to put the drone shots in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No time to wait. Rhythm in my blood, can't hesitate. City lights flashing like a wildfire. Heartbeat racing higher and higher.
Easy and I just got to Boas Tower.
Yo.
Yes, sir. We just got to Boas Tower, so that's the tower in the distance there. I hope we don't have any issues with birds or anything. So when we got to this place, you have to pay an entrance fee of $1,000. The tower is pretty much at one of the highest points in Ibadan. That's the whole of Ibadan, pretty much the wide portion of Ibadan. And there's the tower. Alright, so let's go in.
Let's go.
This is the entrance. Obviously, just like Olumo Rock, everybody left their insignia all around here. It's quite tight, but keep pushing. So I'm back here again for the second time. I had to go downstairs because the security, they said I did not tell them that I was going to fly my drone, so I had to come back downstairs to pay for the drone, which was a different fee. We're done with Boas Tower. Now we're on to going somewhere we can just have a drink or two and chill. Exactly, it was a long day, man.
The night no they sleep. Body they talk is a language so deep. Bombs they clap like thunder go creep. A fire in the air, wahala we keep. Who go fit stop this groove where we carry? Sorry. Dance in the fire, burn them higher, higher. Legs no tire. Now the rhythm.
All right, so out of the lounge or the bar, and we're heading back home. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a long day, man. From where did we even start again? Mokola.
From Mokola.
Yeah. All the way to Stadium.
Adamasinga Stadium.
To
No, from Mokola to
Eleyele.
Lake. From Eleyele to Adamasinga Stadium. From Adamasinga Stadium to Boas.
Yes, boss. And now we're leaving PrimeTime and heading home. Alright guys, see you in the next video.
Like,
Peace.
yeah.
Like, share and subscribe and drop a comment.
She they bend like so. He they match a step, they follow our flow. Sweat like diamonds, they shine, they glow. For this heat, no chill, no slow. Now who they fit resist this connection? Body they move like a new invention. Dance in the fire.